So I think the most important thing is shoe wear. The problem is, some people, especially if they're not trained to do so, they may buy a pair of shoes, it feels great, and then you just keep using it, thinking that it's okay because the sole looks good. But the problem is the padding wears away over time, especially if you're a long distance runner. That padding wears away much more quickly than if you just wear the shoe for regular walking or doing your chores. So number one is you want to replace the shoe more frequently. Otherwise, you place an undue amount of stress on the foot and ankle and can cause injuries that way. A good rule of thumb, if you're a long distance runner, is every 3 months. And if you're just a casual runner, every 6 months. The other issue is when you're a long distance runner, you get very tight muscles. So the IT band specifically and the hamstrings become very tight. And that puts a lot of stress as well. Everything's connected. So everything all the way up from the back, all the way down to the bottom of your foot, the plantar fascia. When that's all tight, it causes a big problem. Finally, you want to also make sure your gait mechanics are appropriate. So you can go to a running clinic to make sure that your mechanics are right. Otherwise, you increase your risk of having an injury.